To test Mr. Bloor's post, I started with creating an old photo with ChatGTP and the following prompt. Create an image in a one-to-one format of an old photograph of an upper-middle-class Victoria woman, mid-50s, dressed for a day in the park. I then prompted ChatGTP. Your task is to repair and colorize this image and reformat with inpainting to a 16:9 format for video. And finally, Video Express. A cinematic period drama scene. An elderly woman in a dark brown Victorian dress and matching hat with a feather waves her right hand gently, then begins walking slowly towards the camera along a tree-lined path. Her expression is serene, with occasional blinks and subtle movements of her mouth. The fabric of her dress sways slightly with each step. The trees in the background rustle softly in a light breeze. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating dappled shadows on the path. The camera slowly pans up to a shoulder shot as she approaches.